Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw Peppa Pig's house. Let's begin by drawing the shape of a sun. Then the shape of the clouds. Peppa Pig house is standing on the top of the hill. Let's draw the shape of Peppa Pig's house. Look at the sun. It's moving, as well as the clouds. I'm drawing the windows. How wonderful to watch the sun and clouds. Let's draw more windows. And the main door. Let's add the roof. And there is an antenna. It's time to color the Peppa Pig's house together. The hill is color green. Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent. The roof is light shade of orange. The walls are light shade of yellow. Peppa's house is a place where oinks of laughter, muddy puddles, and snorts of joy echo through the halls. Get ready for a pig-tastic adventure. Peppa Pig's house is like a cozy cottage painted in cheerful shades of pink. Nestled on a green hill, it's the snuggly haven where Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig create endless memories of family fun. The windows are light shade of blue. The door is color yellow, as well as the sun. And the clouds are light shade of blue. We are almost finished. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.